Where's your way? So on this special day, I actually joined this school as the teachers prepare some of these traditional foods to show to the kids how they are prepared and all that. And so actually this is a portion of the full video. The full video is still in the preparation, but I would want you to have a glance at how some of these traditional foods, specifically Aprapransa and Nuhuu, are being prepared. Mami Musa, enyane to say what did be that? Na when you see this one, you didn't video ye. Now you let me hear from you too at the comment section if you've actually taken these foods before, or this happens to be even your first time hearing that. Okay. 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 And we have a family home there room. We have a family room. I see. Now, what's your there? Oh, okay. Wow. Hey, champagne. I don't see any beef. Wow. But how's it there? Entachi. You look at name Entachi. Entachi. Auntie, you say friend Entachi. Nuhuu. Money. You look at name Pan. Say you need to need brobe. Get to need brobe here. Ana bankai. Come up. Okay. Wow, so I'm sure you would want to watch the full video on how actually they did the preparation and everything about this Aprapransa and Nuhuu. But you know what? Do well to click on the subscribe button to be part of this family as we explore and discover some of these cultural and traditional styles around the country and the African continent. And do well to click on the subscribe button and be watching a whole lot of powerful videos over here on my channel as we wait for the full video.